Kan pasal thapen ni rang chial moi ngang mai thang lama ko nge mu za ta no ma chak lama hian an in tlar boka ha chial moi ngang ma.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can
nicely in these idyllic conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Now it's Neymar. Marco Verratti, he's having a go! Good shot, gathers from the goal kick. He's found a way through. Foden gets away from his opponents. Point-blank header! Goal! Vasco da Gama take the lead! Just so calm under pressure, and he managed to fashion a fine... Carlos makes the interception.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Oh, easy pickings there. Foden. Foden will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent.
Rodri, this is the time you need that pace.
Messi. Oh, good read. That interception was most necessary. Roberto Carlos. Rafael Leao. Roberto Carlos. Zakaria is there to heave it away. It's Pirlo! A really close shave.
So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into
lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
Vasco da Gama come in, having established that lead. The game where...
So they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Chance! Xavi Alonso.
It's the sort of situation that they'll want to capitalise on now.
He's a sharp little ball here.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play.
Mbappe!
are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the card.
Intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. Oh, that's neat. Foden is looking up for options on the left. Foden. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
He is through here. Xabi Alonso flashes it across.
What a letdown.
The pass is intercepted. Rice. Shot at goal! It's in! Strike.
Vasco da Gama clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
Xabi Alonso in with a header! Yes! Devoid of any complexity, but boy, what
just came in at the perfect time and the perfect angle.
Vasco da Gama find a position and the finish. And how did he not make it four? Rafael Leao.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Xavi Alonso. Vasco da Gama clearly now in lead preservation mode. Roberto Carlos promptly onto that, and that is that. That pass has been well intercepted. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. A demolition, destruction, annihilation.
Oh, hey, oh, hey, ha, hey, oh, hey.